how do you fix a dripping tap? So if this tap here is keep dripping, now I have turned off at the main water. I've got a bucket here. It is getting filled up very quickly from the drip. So this is really easy to replace. Now sometimes you might need to replace the whole thing if this get rusted and stuck and you cannot open it. Then you might need to replace this whole thing here. Even if you need to replace the whole thing, it is fairly cheap to do so. Okay, so here what I've got is a spanner. You need a spanner and then just simply open this right here. So just and then simply fit in the spanner and then turn. So once we've got that open, we're just going to open it like so. Well, this top unit is fairly new, as you can see. The washer inside, however, is damaged, so we're going to need to replace it. So inside here you can see there is a washer. Mindful of this washer as well, don't lose it. Okay, so here just use a plier and pull out the old washer. You can see that black part there is worn out and got torn away. So that is the broken piece. Here we also want to inspect at the base to make sure at the base it's not damaged. At the moment it's still looking good. There is no issues at the base, so we can replace it with a new washer. And here I've got several different washers that I could use. Normally I try to use the best quality one possible. It's safest in the long run, so you don't have to keep replacing them. Okay, so we're gonna place this washer in here. Make sure it sits in the center. Another thing you can do is put the washer in there and then turn it down that way, and then we close it. Okay, so once we tighten, then we can turn it down or turn it off. Then we can turn on the main tap. Here, I'll turn on the main tap. And that's it. Stop leaking now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.